making a right turn on red and you didn't stop, failing to yield for pedestrians. Those are some of the common things, and there are more. Fear of heights. You remember I mentioned that I was in Houston, Texas with a client. I haven't seen bridges, ramps that are over 100 feet in the air. I'm thinking, oh my God, what if someone goes too fast around a curve? They're going to fall off that thing. So I had anxiety. I had nervousness. We weren't going to fall off the ramp that was over 100 feet in the air, but my heart stopped. My heart is pounding right now just thinking about it because I had not been to Houston, Texas before. I will be going in a couple of weeks, and I will be making some content to help you. Health concerns. You know, I've been taking better care of my health. I feel a lot better. You can tell by my face. I'm smiling. You got to take care of yourself. Lost about 24 pounds. It's because I'm eating better, staying hydrated. And when you get your rest, you're better able to help other people. You're better able to help yourself because it's about longevity. I have a few more minutes. Next, parking anxiety. You've got to know how to parallel park. And imagine going to downtown Detroit or Houston, Texas. If you can't parallel park, you won't be successful in that downtown area. I want to say thank you, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.